Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we'll give you the night view of Gaur City Mall, which is located in Greater Noida West. So this is the night view of Gaur City Mall. It offers office spaces and studio apartments. So this is the exterior view and we are heading towards the mall. It's a 100% commercial land project. It offers lockable office space of 200 square feet onwards on 7th to 15th floor. And it also offers fully furnished studio apartments on 16th and 17th floor of size 485 square feet and 550 square feet. So this is the view of 130-meter wide road in front of the mall. As this mall is very much near to Gaur City Township, so commuting is very easy from this place. So now this is the view of main entrance gate of Gaur City Mall. So this is the front view of mall. As you can see, it's a big commercial property. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.